Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will try to see connection issues in Kali Linux, and I will also show ideal configuration, network configuration for a virtual machine if you are booting up it on VMware. Well, I'll quickly go into internet, Google browser, and show you if the how to solve these kind of problems. I've just searched no internet on Kali Linux, and I've got this result from the Stack Exchange. If I scroll down, they are primarily talking about two different things, where one is the internet ethernet, and another one is the wireless connection issue. We don't need to worry about the second one, where we need to have the USB wireless card and stuff like that. We are okay with the Ethernet part of things. So in order to solve that, I'll shift to the Kali again. So I'll show you here IPA. The Ethernet is not, it's down, it's not connected, and if I try to ping, the ping doesn't work as well. And if I open the browser and try to browse to any Google or anything, it doesn't work either. So in order for it to work, we'll just need to go to virtual machine settings and make sure that you have NAT here, NAT selected, and if you have bridged also, just shift to NAT, click OK. And once you are connected to NAT, right click here, edit connections, and it should be Ethernet here, and check for the connections. I just haven't renamed it at all, so it's just Ethernet and it's automatic. Just keep the default settings and don't worry too much about them, and save it, close it. And the main thing here is, if you click here on the networking thing, you will see an option called enable networking, which is not enabled at this point of time. So that is all we need to do. We just need to click it and it will automatically connected to my internet. So now if I ping 8888, it works. So it's as simple as that. So you should just make sure that's Ethernet type, and you have set the connection to virtual machine setting, network adapter to NAT. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please comment if you have any other issues regarding the networking. Thank you.